This is how to play morena jeso ya dumeletseng o. I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys just a little bit so that you can remember it, and then I'll break it down after. So it says on the key of C sharp, Ki morena jeso ya dumeletseng Okay, it is a very simple chord progression. It starts right on this chord. This is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as C sharp major first inversion. Okay, if you have been following this channel for some time, I believe you are already familiar with this chord. Okay, this is C sharp major first inversion. From here, it goes to number 5, which is this chord. This is G sharp major second inversion. Okay, from 1, it goes to 5. Okay, there's our number 5. It's G sharp major second inversion. From 5, it goes back to number 1. And then from 1, it goes to 4. Second inversion. This is our number 4, but it's a second inversion. Okay, it's also known as F sharp major second inversion. Okay, I said it's 1, and then 5, back to 1, and then 4. From 4, you go back to 1, and then go to 5, back to 1. Okay, it's very, very simple. So when you play your first chord on the right, on the left, you're going to play 1. When you play 5 on the left, you go to 5. When you go back to 1 on the left, you go to 1. When you go to 4 on the left, you go to 4. When you go back to 1 on the left, you go to 1. And then 5, 5. And then when you go to 1, you go to 1 on the left. It's quite easy, okay? Ki morena jeso ya to make it sound more advanced, you can add a C sharp flat 5 chord, which is this chord. A C sharp flat 5. Okay, I believe everyone can see it. It's G, C sharp, and F. This is C sharp flat 5 second inversion. C sharp flat 5 second inversion. Okay, so on the left, when you are playing this chord, on the left you are going to play 2. Okay, I'll show you where we are going to add that chord. Okay, let's start from the beginning. You're going to play Ki morena jeso, and then yaridu meleti yaridu. I'm gonna repeat again for the last time. Ki morena jeso and yaridu meleti yaridu meleti utsamaisa evangeli. Okay, so that's the simple version. There are a lot of things that you can do to make it sound nice, but I'll show you guys next time. Okay, so yeah, I believe you learned something from this video. Until we meet again, God bless you.